Now this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject is GSC and date 5/10/2020. We are studying lesson 12. Lesson 12. 3 states of matter. Three states of matter. 3 states of matter. In this lesson, we have studied pre-reading questions and also studied about the molecules and the atoms and the matter, and also studying about the matter exists in 3 states. First is solids, liquids and gases. We will study about the solids. So today we are studying about the liquid. Liquid has a size or volume. Liquid, we are studying about liquid. First, we have to take some examples of the liquids that it will be easy for understanding. You know about the water, milk, fruit juice, cold drinks, tea, coffee. These are the few examples of the liquid. These are the few examples of the liquid. What property you think see in the liquids? So first, a liquid has a size or the volume. A liquid has size or volume. Suppose it is 50 ml. 50 ml of the water. 1 liter of the milk. You are purchasing the milk from your milkman. In which way he give you milk? He has liter, and with the help of liter, it measures the volume of the milk. So that is 1 liter of the milk. Volume of the water is volume of the milk is 1 liter. What is volume? The space occupied by the organism is called the volume. The space occupied by the matter is called at the volume. As in case of the water has, we took the water in 1 liter, then volume of the water will be 1 liter. If you took the water or milk 50 ml, then volume of the water and milk will be of the 50 ml. You experience about the injection. In the injection, doctor takes liquid of the 2 ml or the 5 ml according to their needs and injects in your body. So in this way, the liquid has a size or the volume. Volume means it takes up space. In liquids, the volumes are in liquid the molecules are less closely packed. This is very important thing. Molecules are less closely packed. molecules are very less closely packed. But you see about the solids molecules are very closely packed. In the solids, the molecules are very closely packed, but in case of liquids, the molecules are less closely packed. They can move around little, but not too much, due to they can move around very little. Why? Because they are less closely packed. If they are very closely packed, in that situation they could not move. So that is why liquids are not hard and flow very easily and is so called a liquid. Why they are called a liquid? Because liquids are not hard and flow easily. That is why they are called as the liquids. Because they can flow. You can easily pour the water. Water can easily flow. So liquids can easily flow. The liquid have different volume but no different. This is very important feature. They have different volume but no different shape. This is very important feature of the liquid. Liquids have different volume but no different shape. Suppose you have 1 liter of the milk. Suppose it is 1 liter of the milk. So its volume is 1 liter. This 1 liter of liquid, if you keep in the rectangular container, then the shape of the water will be rectangular. If you keep this 1 liter of the water in circular vessels, the volume of 1 liter of the liquid will be changed into circular shape, but the volume will be constant. This 1 liter of water may be circular shape or rectangular shape or triangular shape. Its shape is not constant. The shape of the liquid is changed according to the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids take the shape of the container. They are poured in water, milk, petrol, kerosene and Juices are some examples of liquid. So there is 1 liter of diagram which is given in page number 71. Diagram of the liquid molecules it is given. So molecules are not very close. So if two diagrams are given, you can compare the two diagrams. One diagram of the solid molecules given on the page number given in page number 70. You see the solid molecules, and here the liquid molecules. Here this is the liquid molecules. The space in between the liquid molecules is very much in comparison to the space of the solid molecules. In solid molecules, there is no space in between the molecules, or there is the very least space in the molecules in between the molecules of the solid, or intermolecular space is least in case of the solids, but it is more in the liquids in comparison to the solids. Now next state of the matter we can study, that is the gas. After liquid, next third one is gas. Now next one is the gas. You are familiar to the oxygen, you are familiar to the carbon dioxide. So you are also familiar to the cylinder of the oxygen cylinders. So a gas is a matter that has no shape or size or idiom. We cannot see gas. Gases have no color. In gases, the molecules are wide apart from each other and are loosely packed. So next one is the gas. So we are familiar to the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide. These are the gases. We are also familiar to some other type of the gases. We are knowing about the air. Air, actually air is the not a single gas, but it is a mixture of the gases. Gases have neither constant shape nor constant volume. Neither constant shape nor constant volume. The space in between the molecules of the gases is very much in comparison to the solids and the liquids. So properties: a gas is matter that has no shape or size of its own. We cannot see gases. Gases have no color. In gases, the molecules are wide apart from one another and loosely packed. Molecules are wide apart. Molecules are wide apart from each other and packed and are loosely packed, wide apart from each other and are loosely packed. That is why gases are not hurt and move freely and spread everywhere. For example, when we spray a perfume, the fragrance spread all around us. This is because the molecules from the perfume scatter through the air and reach us. So, gases have neither fixed shape nor different volume. The air around us is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. etc. So, this is very important feature is there. Gases have neither fixed shape, nor definite volume. Gases have neither fixed shape nor definite volume. This is very important feature of the gases. On the one hand, you know that solid have both volume and shape, both are the constant. In case of the solids, both shape and volume both are the constant, both are fixed. But in case of liquid, volume is fixed, volume is constant, but shape is indefinite. Shape is not fixed. But in case of the gases, both volume and shape are fixed. Thank you. That's for today.